Hi everyone, welcome to House Talks. This is the end of the summer season garden tour. The purpose of this quick video tour is to give an idea what perennial plants which are drought tolerant to survive summer temperatures and blooms well through end of the summer season. We are still having high 80s here in Zone 7B, North Carolina. Let's see what plants are blooming well. This one is pink cloud Gora, long-lasting blooming perennial. It blooms really a beautiful pink flowers through the fall. It's good to have in the garden. This is the Diplodonia plant. It's good for containers. It blooms beautiful red flowers during the summer, and during the winter it goes dormant. So I just try to keep my plants in the garage. But it grows as a perennial in the frost-free climate conditions, especially the zoning area 9 to 11. It just acts as a perennial, so it's good to have. These cornflowers are from Echinacea family. These are the best perennials to add colors in the fall season, and because these cornflowers comes in the pink, white, red, and orange and all, and it blooms all the way to the end of the fall season, and it's really a great choice to add the colors. Ornamental lollipop is a long-lasting blooming perennial. It starts blooming in the mid spring and blooms all the way to end of the fall season, and it blooms really a beautiful purple cluster flowers. And I would recommend this definitely. And it's a low maintenance perennial. This is a sedum family perennial called autumn joy, and it starts blooming in green color in the late spring and slowly turns into the pink by midsummer or end of the summer, and it looks really beautiful during the fall season. With the pink clusters and all. I would definitely recommend this sedum family perennials, and this is my one of favorite. If you have enough space in the garden bed area, I would definitely recommend the Mexican Petunia perennial because it blooms really well from the midsummer all the way to the until the first frost, and it will goes to doormat in the winter season and come back again in the early spring. and I would definitely recommend this Mexican Petunia. And this flower blooms every day in the morning and it dies by evening, and again comes next day morning with a fresh set of flowers, and it's beautiful. Purple heart perennial is one of the best perennial for the bordering and the ground coloring, and it really grows well during the summer season, and it will stay in nice purple color until the frost, and it goes to dormant in the winter season and come back again in the early spring. This is another purple heart perennial but with a different foliage from the same family Echinacea. I found this purple heart in my local nursery here in the North Carolina. It grows really well in the during the summer and fall and keeps the nice purple color, and it grows really well until the frost. Then it goes to dormant in the winter season, again come back in the early spring. Allium perennial flowers are exceptionally beautiful, and there are different types from same family. This is an ornamental onion from Allium family. It blooms beautiful purple flowers in the summer. Fall season is a perfect time to plant allium bulbs. Ornamental grasses are a wonderful way to add a multi-season interest to the garden, and it adds instant texture to the garden at any time of the year. Try it, you won't regret it.